Okay, so I will explain about the plumbing fixture family. So you have to choose in metric plumbing fixtures. Open. So this is your metric plumbing fixtures. You can find out the plumbing fixture is available. These are the properties. You can go for the parameters here, and here also you can find out the project browser family one. Okay, here you can find a room calculation point. When you create anything, you can go through these room calculation points. Okay, but mostly in the family plumbings, it's depend on the project. Okay, right. Now I can go to select a reference plan. Otherwise, you can go for RP. So RP, when you shortcut can type RP. As usual, you know how to create this reference plan. So I did this one. So after that, you can go back to annotation. You can go to choose these two and equal. This one also you can make it equal. And after that, you can just take these two, lock, and take these two, lock. And after that, you can select this one, go to label, you can type width, and this one you can type it depth. Okay. And after that, you can go back to front, go to create and reference plan. Here you can mention the bottom. So, and after that, you can go to create one label. So this one you can make it floor height, and don't forget the floor height should be instant family, because we can able to place the various uh, places. So that time we need the parametrics like a instant. So this is this one. So after that you can create another reference plan. So this is you can make it like a height. Make it height, and this one you can make it top. Right. Now I can go back to my reference plan, go to family type. So here I can make it plumbing fixtures 01. I just put one name. You can put it any name. So here you can find out this instant parameter is showing default. So I can go to choose the depth 400, height 300, width um, one. I can put 1000 mm. Applied. Okay. So width I can put it 750. Yeah, right. So this is now I can go to choose create execution, go to set, choose here your reference plan. You remember I mentioned the reference plan B. It's mean bottom. So I have to choose the B. Okay. So Here you can find out the work plan. The B is available here. Okay. Here you can find out the rectangular. B is done. Now you can go for the rectangular. You can just drag it. Okay, just close it again. I can go back to create, set. I can choose it B. Okay. Execution, rectangle. Maybe this one is not. Okay. Now I can go to lock, lock this one, lock this one. I can lock this one. Right. Now I can go for offset 40, 1, 2, 3, and here I can make it 20. And I can go for fillet. Hmm. Fillet. Yeah, this is like a sink. Okay. Right. You can check it here. It's 80. So if you want, you can create label also here. You can just select here. Now you can go back to your 3D. You can go back to front and you can lock. Select there. But here we have to create the bottom. So I can go back to reference. I can go to choose set B. Okay. Execution. Select the pick line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and put it 40, the thickness, and select. So now it's done. Now I can go back to my reference. Oh, I can choose this one, the bottom, go back to choose the reference, bottom, edit, go back to reference plan. Now I can make it the circle look like 20. Okay, apply. After that, so this is my, I have to create the piping. So I created here. Now I can go back to my swift pick path, create the profile. I can create the profile. So I created like this way. Otherwise, I can just go to edit sweep. Again, I can go for profile edit. I can go back to left view. I can create. I have to add one more. I can go for around 5 thickness offset. 5 is more, so I can go for 2 thickness. So I can go for 2. Okay, I created. So this is okay. Now everything is done. Now I can go back to um, I can go to select execution, set, pick a plan. So I just go for this area. So I can just create one circle like a 10. So I just created like this way, and I can go back to front. I can just select, go for mirror it. So you can back to here. So I did this one. So after that, we can go for the more detail of this one. So I need only this one because I have to connect the pipes. So I can go back to create, choose the pipe connector. You can choose the face. Choose the face, and you can go back to diameter of century. So I can go for 10, and it should be century. You can just move it or no problem. So I can go back to pipe connector. I can choose the face here. You can choose the face here. Connector, pipe connector, face. But you have to confirm that one that should be in the middle. Yeah. Now okay. Now you can just select, go to put 20 radius or diameter. So you can just check it. It should be in the middle. Okay. It should be in the middle. And after that, here you can go to select pipe connector. You can go to pipe connector, make it hot water, face. You can, before that, you can just drag in this one. to drag in this one because we are taking connection from outside. So you can go back to pipe connector. Phase you have to choose it, and here also you can choose the phase. Now you can choose this one. It's 10, or you can put it 20 and make it hot water. And this one, make it 20, make it cold water. Everything is done now. Now you can save this one, save as family, plumbing fixtures 01, plumbing fixtures 01. After that, I can go to choose new project browser. I can go to choose plumbing project. So here I can link, or otherwise I just upload in the project. So it's came here. So you can go to choose it. You can go to choose your elevation. See, here you can find out the flow height, how much you needed. You can just type. See, here we made one mistake because this should be sanitary. So I can go back to here, my 3D. I can choose. I should be change sanitary, and I can load it again. Now you can, or you can go for east, drag the pipe, and here pipe, hot or cold, and again select pipe, cold water. Now you can go back to select share and find. Now you can find out we created the plumbing fixtures.